Today's the perfect day to fly a drone. I found this parking lot. I've been wanting to fly a drone here for a while. I don't have my microphone. But this is like the perfect day. It's like it's a perfect fall day. The trees are changing. And I just wanted to show you how easy it is here in Chicago to just send the drone up and get like the perfect shot of like the L going this way and the city in the backdrop. And I'm always encouraging people, the millions of people that watch our vlog, that if they ever come to Chicago, we'll take them to places like this. Special. But this is the shots that I got today. And there was one shot I wanted to do coming across with, you know, maybe following the L, but my batteries on my drone ran out. But this is like your quintessential perfect day to get the shots. And the trees are changing. Maybe like another week if there's a day like this. Another perfect day. I just need to charge my batteries up before I leave the house to get these shots. But anyway, these are just some shots. And then I got a test shot of the train going by to give me the audio. I think I explained that in one of my other videos. I got a million comments on it. But I know, my son's looking at me like, you're lying. We don't have anybody that watches our videos. Well, true, but maybe someday.